What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we are in the baby's nursery and I'm really excited because we are going to organize. So we have tons of organizing to do. We have the closet and also the dresser. So I'm gonna organize all of his clothes, blankets, just everything. It might be a little early. I'm due early May, first week of May, but I really wanna get things done before April so that I can just relax in April. I don't wanna be in like crazy mode in April. I'm also very out of breath, so just ignore that. But yeah, I don't want to be like in crazy freak mode in April, freaking out, trying to get everything done, and then I don't even get to rest, and then baby comes and everything. You know, I would just rather rest and relax and have a very leisure April before baby comes in May, right? So I feel like that makes sense. So I'm trying to get everything done in March. So March has been crazy for me, you guys, but I'm really excited. I washed all of baby's clothes yesterday. I have them all laid out here. I kind of washed them separately, so like by size. I did newborn, 0 to 3, whatever, and onward. So that made it a lot easier. It's kind of already organized in piles. I actually still need to do some laundry today. I didn't wash the clothes that he has hanging in the closet, so I gotta wash those today. Also wash his towels, washcloths, bird cloths, blankets. So still have some washing and laundry to do today. So basically we're just nesting today. We're nesting and organizing. So I'm excited. Real quick before we get started with going on an organizing and nesting rampage, I want to give a huge shout out to today's sponsor, which is Top Cashback. I have been using Top Cashback for so long now, you guys. They are amazing. If you don't know what Top Cashback is, you basically get cash back while shopping online, and they make it super easy for you. It literally is done at the click of a few buttons. You just download their little Top Cashback browser extension, and while you're shopping just like you normally would, you just shop through Top Cashback and you can get money back. So I don't know about you guys, but I'm gonna spend money and shop anyways online, so I might as well be getting money back and save money through Top Cashback. So I love that. They have so many different retailers. I'm talking Container Store, Amazon, so many retailers for you guys to shop through and save money on. In my experience, it's always been super easy to use Top Cashback. That's what I love, because I feel like I'm just doing regular shopping, but in the background, I'm getting cash back and saving money. If you guys want to check them out, you can get a $10 sign-up bonus plus cash back upon spending $25 on Top Cashback. So I will leave my link down below. I just switched angles because we're gonna start organizing, but I wanted to mention, yeah, I'm gonna kind of be like hiding his nursery today because you guys are not gonna get the reveal. I mean, I guess you have a little sneak peek. You see his little mirror and dresser here. But yeah, it's like almost done, but I'm just waiting for something to come in that was like back ordered, and then that'll be like the final. Yeah, so you guys are not gonna get the full nursery reveal just yet. Okay, so like I said, I washed all of his clothes yesterday. Like this is like 90% of his clothes. So I have it separated. We have 3 to 6 months, 0 to 3 months, which is a lot, a good amount of newborn down here. Also going to be organizing his closet today, which I have shown you guys this closet in a vlog if you guys want to get a further view there. It turned out so good. We ended up going with the IKEA Pax closet and I absolutely love it. So I still need to wash these today. And we're gonna take all this out. We've been using it as like storage, like the little bassinet for the stroller, and all of this is gonna come out and get rearranged and organized today. I actually think I'm gonna start here because I hate clutter, right? And there's just like so much, like we have diapers, we have like the bassinet stroller thing here, like there's so much going on here. I kind of want to like clear the closet out, right? Start with an empty space, so we're gonna start there. So we actually have a spare room over there, so I'm gonna be taking everything and just putting it in the spare room. So I have a bunch of these organizers that I got from both IKEA and I also got a lot from Amazon as well. I will link everything down below. These are really cool because they fold up very easily if you're not using them anymore. And I believe I checked the measurements. Yeah, and they fit perfectly in here. So I'm really trying to decide what I want to put where. Like what clothes will go in the closet drawers versus the dresser drawers. And I'm kind of thinking that I'm going to leave a good amount of the dresser drawers open for like blankets, play mats, maybe some of his toys for now. Once he's a little bit bigger, I'm gonna do like a setup in the living room where you can have like a playpen and stuff, but I might need some storage for toys. So I'm thinking of leaving the dresser drawers for that since they are bigger. Basically just put majority of his clothes in here. I think that's what I'm gonna do. But we'll see what I come up with. Usually I go into organizing with a plan, but I've never organized baby clothes before. Like this is a whole new territory, you know? Like the clothes are smaller, the drawers are different. So I'm kind of winging it. So these ones are from Amazon. Ooh, it just fits. I like that, okay. For now, I feel like the easiest thing to do is do the diaper drawer. So I'm gonna have a little changing pad that I bought that will go on top of the dresser. So I'm gonna do a diaper drawer right beside the changing pad. So I found these really great bins from Amazon that happen to fit in the drawers really well. So the funny thing about these bins is they literally just fit. So watch how tight of a squeeze it is. I literally have to push it. There we go. Crazy how much of just like a perfect fit those are. So I actually have a wipe warmer that I bought, which will eventually go on the dresser. But for now, the wipe warmer is gonna go in our bedroom because baby's not even gonna be in the nursery right away. It's gonna be in our bedroom, right? So for now, I'm just gonna leave all of the packs of wipes in their packages, obviously, so they don't go dry. Wow, so these bins fit 7 packs of wipes perfectly. Like I said, a lot of these are gonna go in our bedroom, in our hospital bag as well, in the diaper bag. But for now, it's nice that it has a place. Also, what's nice about these bins is they have that material where things will suction to. The diaper rash cream spatula that I got obviously has a suction. So it suctions nicely to the table, but it'll also suction nicely to the bin. Also, I really did not need 3 diaper rash creams, but I didn't know which one to buy, so there you have it. So when the burp cloths are done washing in the washing machine, I'm gonna add them back here because I figured they would be handy to have near the diaper station. I really like how that came along. I feel like that looks really good and it's very practical. So I think for this drawer, it makes sense to put his sleepers because if you're doing diaper changes and stuff, I feel like I should put sleepers and onesies. Just like those little plain undershirt onesies in this section. And then in the closet is where I will put majority of his clothes, because also clothes fit better in the IKEA packs drawers because they're smaller rather than these drawers that are super deep. So my plan is to separate them and do newborn sleepers and then 0 to 3 sleepers. So I do have the matching hats for a lot of these sleepers. Here is one of them, and here's another one. Yeah, I feel like I could roll them up beside the sleeper. Okay, so I think I'll do that. Finally done folding, so I'm gonna put all the organizers in the drawer. And then these are just basics undershirts. We have newborn and then 0 to 3. And then these are all the 0 to 3 sleepers. I don't think I need any more sleepers. Okay, so it's the next day and I feel so well rested. Like I feel so much less exhausted today. I actually have a lot of energy, so I'm excited to finish the nursery. So I think I need to go ahead and now wash these clothes back here. I need to put them in the laundry. I have been washing everything on delicate and cold, and then I have been putting it in the dryer, but only on very low heat and using obviously newborn baby friendly detergent. So pretty much everything I've decided to hang is like not fancy, but just like more outfits, like outfits that I would put him in when I want him to like look a little, you know, when we go out and stuff like that. Even though I would still put him in some of the other outfits that I have, like those folded ones there. These are just more like, you know, like we have track suits, another tracksuit here. Look at this cute little, I can't, my sister Jessica found this at Walmart and she was like, Amy, how do you feel about plaid? Okay, so I think what I'm going to do is now put like sets over here, but what I'm gonna do is separate them between newborn and then 0 to 3. Okay, so I'm really thinking it makes sense to just put socks up here, so I think I'm just gonna start doing that. So I think in the back here, I'm going to put little hats. And since these are the matching booties, I'm thinking of putting them together. I've read that that's a huge tip, is if you have a set, keep it together, because when you're just like tired and got a lot going on, you don't have time to search for things. Look how perfect that fits. I put 2 hats in one, so even some of them you can fit 2 in one. If I had another white one, I would put that there. But yeah, I don't really have too many mitts. Maybe I need to get more. I literally only have 2 mitts. These are like winter gloves. I only have 2 mitts, but a lot of the sleepers have mitts on it, but I still feel like when he's wearing these, he might need more mitts. So maybe I need to buy more mitts. Let me know down below. So I am gonna go ahead and separate sets and then mix and match pieces. This is a set. Mix and match onesies, mix and match onesies. So I'll just show you guys how I plan on folding the sets. I'm gonna lay the bodysuit or the top part flat and just put it in, fold it up, and there you go. You have a little set packet. And then put it upside down. For the leggings, I am literally just going to fold them in half and then another half and stick them in. So I have like a really just basic label maker that I got from Amazon. I will link it down below. It's super easy to use. You literally just, it's just an app. You type the text and it prints it out through Bluetooth. So I love how this turned out, and I even put the labels back there and on the sides here. And I also added labels over here. So I figured that that was really helpful. And this is what I was mentioning earlier, where I put the matching hats next to the matching sleepers. So these just came in the mail, and I completely forgot that my plan, like I'm telling you, the pregnancy fog brain is so real. I completely forgot that my plan was to use these drawer dividers instead of those bins, just because the bins, you guys can see there's some wasted space here and back here. So my plan was to do this. So now I'm like, do I leave it? Do I do this? I think I should do this. So I thought I would show you guys what I did on the bottom drawer here. So like I said, most of his clothes are gonna go in the closet. So we have these 2 drawers completely empty. I figured I would put some of his books there. So we do have a bookshelf in the nursery, which you guys will see when I do the nursery tour. But the bookshelf is quite filled up. So I figured I would put some more books down there and then maybe some toys here. So I actually have this bin that was in the closet, which stores his little play mat for tummy time and some Love Every accessories and toys. So I figured it's a perfect spot to put them right there. So I actually got these really good little attachments from Amazon. So I bought these hangers from HomeSense and they didn't have the matching pant version. So I was like, how am I gonna hang pants? You know, like I want them to be matching. So I went on Amazon, just did a quick little search and I found these little attachments. You literally just attach them to any hanger and it turns into a pant hanger. I will say I feel like they work better for kids because the opening is not so wide. So it's good for kids' clothes, but like if I had to hang up my jeans or my track pants on these, it wouldn't be enough room. But it's perfect for kids and yeah, just attaches and turns into a pant hanger. So I have washed and hung up all of these. There's some more there, but I wanted to show you guys what I did with the sets. I added them on the same hanger and I'll show you guys. You can kind of see the pants are right there on the hook. So since it's a set, I just added it to the same hanger and you already know you have one outfit good to go. So to organize his closet, I got these made on Etsy, which I just find is so cute. It basically is like size separators so that you can just pick outfits based on size. Like when babies are different than us, right? Like us, we are our size, so we organize everything by like t-shirts, jeans, whatever. For him, I'm just straight up organizing everything by size, not by like type of clothing. And I did put a bunch of the extra hangers that you guys saw like all down there. I put them in that bin that's up top there. And the little matching shorts, I can't. And I am all done, you guys. How amazing does that look? I'm so happy with it. Like I said, we're just missing the shoe shelf that I will keep an eye out on IKEA for it to come back in stock, but I'm so happy with it. I might at some point get a bigger hamper. I've had a few of you guys point out that my hamper is probably a bit too small, so I will probably at some point get a bigger hamper. Okay, so that is it. I am officially finished organizing the nursery. I didn't think I would finish today, not gonna lie. The last thing that I have to do is just the blankets, like blankets and nursing covers and stuff like that. I have in the washing machine right now, and that will go in the third drawer. The last drawer there I didn't show to you guys, but right now it's just storing like his bed sheets, bassinet sheets, like I'll do that at like probably first week of April. But yeah, I'm so happy that I am finally done organizing the nursery. And I love how it turned out. So hopefully you guys enjoyed. I will leave everything linked down below that I got. Don't forget to check out Top Cashback. If you're gonna be buying organizers or just shopping online in general, you could be getting cash back. You can get a $10 sign up bonus plus cash back when you spend $25 through Top Cashback. So I will leave my link down below. And yeah, I'm gonna go relax for the rest of the day and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys. Mwah.